Home Remedies presents Rub only 2 drops on your gums and teeth, and you will never go to a dentist again. Hi guys, good day to all my viewers. Hope you all are in good health. I am Rabia, and in today's video, I will inform you how just by applying 2 drops, you can prevent cavities, gingivitis, bad breath, and tooth decay. So I recommend to watch the video till the end to get full information. And without any more wait, let's start. Essential oils have been used in oral health. According to a recent study, essential oils have a lot to offer. They are effective, safe, and beneficial for both teeth and gums. By maintaining the balance of the oral flora, essential oils work as reliable and even better choice to antiseptic formulas. According to the Journal of International Oral Health, essential oils can inhibit plaque, remove stains, eliminate the bacteria, and keep the teeth and gums healthy. So, 2 of the most powerful essential oils are tea tree oil and clove oil. Clove oil. Clove oil contains a compound called eugenol, which has been used in dentistry for its analgesic and anesthetic properties. This compound shows pharmacological effects on all bodily functions. Eugenol is also known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, in addition to its anesthetic activity. Tea tree oil. Due to its powerful antifungal, antiviral, antiprotozoal, and antibacterial properties, tea tree oil reduces bacteria, yeast, and fungal infections, and effectively treats viral infections like cold sores. In addition, it eases the symptoms of gingivitis and denture stomatitis. Now that you know how effectively beneficial these 2 essential oils are for the oral health, I will now tell you how to use them. A simple and effective method, which should be part of your daily routine. Method. Take the following ingredients: 2 drops clove oil, 2 drops tea tree oil, 2 drops coconut oil. Coconut oil here acts as a carrier oil. You can increase the quantity of it as per your requirement. Combine the oils and rub your teeth with it every day. Let it sit for 10 minutes before rinsing. Use it twice a day. Using this solution will keep your oral health and prevent cavities, gingivitis, bad breath, and tooth decay. If you liked the video and found it informative and helpful, click the like button and subscribe to my channel for new videos daily. Don't forget to press the bell icon to be notified whenever I publish a new video. Share on your social networks to help others benefit from it too. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.